Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wildturmeric. I love aloe vera gel and use it a lot in my skincare products. But some people are allergic to it. If you're allergic to aloe vera, don't worry. There is a great alternative for making creams and face packs. The ingredient I'm talking about is almond gum, which has antibacterial and wound healing properties. It also has a soothing effect on the skin. When ground into a gel, almond gum has a texture very similar to aloe vera gel. If you're looking for a substitute for aloe vera gel, I would highly recommend this almond gum gel as it is also hydrating, cooling, and moisturizing. It helps to soothe irritated skin and brings down inflammation. Its antioxidant properties help protect against premature aging by fighting off free radicals and can contribute to a brighter, more glowing complexion. I tried it in an almond face pack and I loved it. To make almond gum gel, soak some almond gum in water overnight. The next day, grind it into a smooth gel, adding water gradually until you reach the desired consistency. Many people confuse almond gum with gond katira. Both are gums but are derived from different plants. Almond gum is sourced from the sweet almond tree, while gond katira is from the astragalus plant. Both have similar properties and swell when added to water. I haven't tried making a gel using gond katira yet. You can store this gel in the fridge for up to 3 weeks. To make the almond face pack, first soak a few almonds in water for 2 hours. Grind the soaked almonds into a paste on a rubbing stone using a little milk. To this paste, add a teaspoon of the almond gum gel and mix well. Apply the pack all over your face and neck. Leave it on for 10 minutes and then wash it off. This skin glow pack helps to brighten dull skin and is also very effective for soothing sunburned skin.